Hi, and welcome back to AI in 5. I'm your host, Simon Chris, and joining me today from Sydney is Todd Gorsuch. Todd is the CEO for Customer Science, and we're going to be talking about using an AI accelerator for contact centers. Hi, Todd. Welcome to AI in 5. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Simon. Nice to be here.
Now, I want to jump into this idea, really exciting thing that I know you've been working on, this AI accelerator with Australian call centers.
Yeah.
What are some of the principles of an AI accelerator? What's it designed to do?
Well, it's really designed to make it a lot easier for organizations to implement AI in their call centers and remove a lot of the challenges that sit there around, things like change management, policies, educating boards, things like that,
Right.
packaged up and brought straight in.
Mm-hmm.
And also to get in a very safe way so you can get started and quickly learn so you can implement AI in your call center.
Okay, and is it dependent upon a specific technology? Is it technology agnostic? How does it work?
Yeah, great question. Definitely agnostic. Through the process, you'd learn a bit about AI actually, and then the concept is really if you've got if you've got technology in your call center, you almost certainly have the ability to switch the AI technology on.
Yep.
Through that existing supplier. So the idea is don't go outside the boundaries of your existing supplier. Use their technologies, so it's nice and easy. Switch that on and get the benefits of it straight away. And then if you don't have an existing supplier with AI, there's a bunch of options, and you can choose the best fit for purpose solution.
Yeah, and we know a lot of the large contact center providers are doing this. The Verint, Genesys, NICE, Salesforce, Zendesk, all of those guys are doing that type of stuff.
Absolutely. Yeah, all over it.
When people are in these accelerator programs, what are you finding are the most common use cases that they're talking about or that they want to explore? Are they super complex or are they really basic?
No, they're really basic, and in fact, that's where we encourage people to start. These are proven case studies, and the one I think about most often is really just after call wrap at the end of a call, where people are coding or typing up notes. All of those things AI is really suited to solve for and automate, so that the agent's spending a lot less time doing the boring work and doing a lot more time with the customer and helping the customer at the end of the call, as they probably should. So, yeah, I think we start off really easy. Through that process, you learn. That allows you to get your foundations right for how to use AI in your call center. And then you sort of build from there. So you can build some more creative solutions apart from beyond that.
Okay, and how long does the accelerator process kind of run? Is this a 6-month thing or?
Yeah, no, this is the beauty of some of the new AI technologies, which you'll know, Simon, and that's around the ability to turn this on relatively quickly. It only takes about a week or so to get ready for, and then you can switch it on and get going. You're piloting within for a month, and within 60 days, you've got proof that it's worth switching on and going. The other nice thing about doing that in such a short time frame is you're not spending a lot of money, you're not spinning a lot of cycles. So if it doesn't work for you, you can kind of back out without very much cost or effort. But the reality is, if you choose the right use case up front, then you've got a really good shot at proving it out, getting the benefits, and then you can just continue on.
And what about addressing the governance issues? If this is a company
100%.
that has never done AI before, there's going to be governance stuff, right?
Yes, governance is a big deal, and data privacy, etc., biases, other things that you would have spoken at length about. The good news about all this stuff is a lot of this thinking has been done. A lot of the work around policy and process and governance has already been structured up. So most organizations can pick up and adopt a best practice really quickly, or they can tailor that best practice to their needs. So through a program like this accelerator program, you can pick up that capability, tailor, and then get on with governing the process effectively.
Yeah, wow. So, and we're almost at time, but really quickly, are you finding any situations? I had this question the other day,
Yeah.
where you're helping a group implement AI into a contact center, but the contact center workers are kind of anti-AI because they're afraid it's going to take their jobs. Are you actually seeing that as a reality, or is that just something that's being talked about?
Um, there's discussion about this, but I see very little of it. There are camps of it. So what we tend to see is we tend to see the population of the call center split up into three groups. One of those groups is the one worried about their job and a bit resistant.
Yep.
But once it's in pilot and people are testing and using it, there seems to be quite a bit of hurry up. I want this. Like
Wow.
when do I get my bot, or when do I get help?
Okay.
So yeah, exciting.
Awesome. Well, thank you. I never let anybody go without asking this one question. What's your one hot tip for someone just starting out in AI?
I just say get on with it. Like I just think it's such a fascinating space. There's so much content on the internet, YouTube, etc. Get up there, use ChatGPT and all and Claude and other technologies. Just get your head around it. And then really, these programs are not that complicated. Get people in. I mean, Simon, you do great work in this space. Go and get Simon in. We're happy to come and have a chat with you, right? Just get going. It's actually far lower cost entry point than traditional technologies as well. So yeah, just keep going.
Yeah, fantastic advice. This has been a great AI in 5. Thanks, Todd.
Thanks, Simon.